In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to properly measure your own body measurements, and then we're going to convert them into a pattern. The first measurement is our neck measurement. We're going to get our tape measure. You're going to put it around your neck. Make sure that you're not choking up too high. You want it to go scooped down towards your clavicle. So we're going to go ahead and get the end of the measurement. You're going to stand up straight when you do this. If you're looking in a mirror, that probably will help, or have someone help you. And you're going to go ahead and get that measurement and write it down. Now we're going to do our bust measurement. You're going to get your tape measure and you're going to wrap it around the widest part of your bust and have it come over the apex area. Make sure you're standing up straight when you take this measurement as well, because if you lean down, it will mess up the measurement. So stand up straight, make sure that the tape measure is around the bust area, and go ahead and get those measurements. Now we're going to do our waist measurement. This is our natural waist. If you go ahead and do a little curve where it is curving, that's where you want your tape measure to be placed. You're going to be standing up straight once again, look into a mirror, go ahead and get that measurement. Now we're going to do our bust span. It's apex to apex, and you're going to go ahead and get that number. Now we're going to do our armhole. You want to make sure that your tape measure is vertically aligned with your body, and you're going to go ahead and wrap around the tape measure. And you also want to make sure that your tape measure is vertically down, and you're going to get this measurement. You're going to add another 1.5 inches to this measurement, so it gives you a little wiggle room while you're moving your arm. Now we're going to do our shoulder length. You're going to make sure that you place your tape measure shoulder to shoulder, and make sure that you have a little curve so your shirt can feel comfortable around your shoulders, and go ahead and get that measurement. For your back width, you're going to need someone to assist you. You're going to be measuring from your bottom of your armpit to the other bottom of your armpit. You're going to need help measuring the back width, because if you raise your arms, it will mess up the measurement. Now we're going to be measuring bodice length. You want to make sure that your tape measure is vertical. You're going to place it on the upper part of your shoulder, and wherever you want the bodice to end, that is where you're going to take your measurements. I like to end my bodice right near my belly button, so I would take the length measurement here. Now we're going to take our vertical measurement. You're going to go ahead and get your tape measure, make sure that it's vertical. You're going to place it on the inner part of your shoulder closest to your neck. And you're going to go ahead and get the length measurements from your shoulder to your apex, your shoulder to your natural waist, and then your shoulder to where your hip is. Now we're going to take our hip measurement. You're going to go ahead and get your tape measure, and you're going to wrap it around the widest part of our bottom, of our backside, and it's going to hover around the private area, and then you're going to go ahead and get your measurement from there. After I'm done taking the measurements, I like to add the weight and the height so I can reuse them for a person with similar body type.